Jai Gurudev students. Today we are going to see the problem, ninth problem of exercise 5.3. Okay, lesson 7 arithmetic progression. Now just I am reading the problem. You have to also see the problems from the NCERT book. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 term is 289, find the sum of first n term. Means in the given they have given S7 is equal to 47. S7 is equal to 47. S7 formula is nothing but Sn formula is n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, right? S7 I am saying S7 how we are going to get here? 7 by 2 in the bracket, that is 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. We don't know a, we don't know d. Okay, we have to find S7. So S7 they have given as a 49, which is equal to 7 by 2. Here is a 2a plus this is a 6d. Okay, 49 which is equal to 7 by 2. Can we take out here the 2 is a common? If we will take out 2 common, I will get a plus 3d and this 2 will cancel. 49 is equal to 7, a plus 3d. Now 7 is multiplication. We will shift here 49 divided by 7 which is equal to a plus 3d. And 7's are 49. So we got the first equation a plus 3d which is equal to 7. This we will call this as a equation 1, right? S17 is equal to 289. S17's formula as per Sn is nothing but 17 by 2 in the bracket 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. Okay, S17 289 is equal to 17 by 2. Here is a 2a plus 17 minus 1 is 16d. Okay, this 17 by 2. Here can we take out again 2 is common. I will get here a plus 2 8s are 16 8d. 2 will cancel. This is a 289. 289 divided which is equal to 17 into a plus 8d means 17. It is in multiplication. So we will shift here in division. 89 17 which is equal to a plus 8d. Okay, are you knowing here this is a 289 is 17 square, so we will get here 17, so we will get here a plus 8d is equal to 17. This is equation second. Whenever we second equation, whenever we will get first third term, seventh term, then in that case also we got the same, we are getting same equation. If they will give here S7 means you will get 49 only. If it is S17 means 289 only. If I will think about S5, then in case of S5 you will get S5 is equal to 25 and there you will take S15 is equal to 25. Extra I am telling to you कि this type also you will get the problems, okay, by changing the number. Now you got here the two equations which we call as a simultaneous equation in two variable. So how we can do? That is 2 minus 1 implies here we will get 8 plus 8 plus a plus 8d is equal to 17 and here is a plus 3d is equal to 7. Can we do as a subtraction? Yes, subtraction we have to do. So second term sign is going to be a change. This is going to be a cancel. 8d minus 3d is a 5d which is equal to 10. So d is equal to 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 means 10 divided by 5 and d is equal to 2. 5 2s are 10. Now we got the value of d is equal to 2. Okay. So substitute in equation 1. In equation 1 we will get the value of a plus 3 into 2 which is equal to 7. A plus 6 is equal to 7. The value of a is equal to 1. That is a is equal to 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is nothing but the 1. Okay. Now we got a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 2. They have asked here we have to find the sum of a n term, means here we will substitute the value of a and d, that is nothing but 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 we will keep as it is, and here is the value of a d is a 2. Sn is equal to n by 2, here 2 plus n into 2 is a 2n minus 2. Okay, 2 will cancel, you will get n upon 2 into 2n. This will be cancelled and we will get as a Sn is nothing but the n square. Means we got here Sn in terms of a n square. Okay. 10th problem we have to see. Show that A1, A2 to AN form an AP where AN is defined below. AN they have given and we have to see whether the terms form an AP or not. Then how we will show this? We have to show it is AP. AP means we have to see, we have to find the common difference, and common difference is getting every time same, then we can say the given term form an AP. Okay. So here we can call this as a 1, that is substitute n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. When we will substitute an, that is n is equal to 1, so a1 which we will get as a 3 plus 4 into 1, which is nothing but 7. A2 we will get as a 3 plus 4 into 2. 4 into 2 means 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11. A3 which is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay. We got here the A1, A2, A3 term, likewise we will find. Now we will find as a D. D is a A2 minus A1 which is equal to, A2 means 11 minus 7, 11 minus 7 is a 4. Again we will find D, that is A3 minus A2 which is equal to 15 minus 11 which is equal to 4. Since AK minus AK minus 1 is the same every time. Okay, every time D we are going to get as the same. Therefore, the given terms form an AP. If it is a form an AP, then what we have to find? We have to find the sum of 15 term. Means S15 we have to find, means Sn is equal to n by 2. This formula we have to use to find the S15. S15 which is equal to, we are going to get 15 by 2 in the bracket 2. What we got here, the first term? First term is 7, so we will substitute here. N is 15 minus 1 and the value of D is nothing but we got here the 4. Okay. So what we will get here, S15 which is equal to 15 by 2 in the bracket 14 plus 7 2s are 14, and here is 14 4s are 56. Here is a 14 4s are 56, and we will get here 15 by 2 into, this is 0, 6 17. Okay, 2 35s are. So we will get 15 into 35, that is S15. So S15 we will get as a 15 5s are 75, carry 7. 15 3s are 45, 45 plus 7 is 52, and we will get the sum of this 15 term when we know the AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. Second problem, AN is equal to 9 minus 5n, means they have given the nth term in terms of n only. Again here also we have to check whether the following equation form an AP or not, and we have to find then S15 term, sum of 15 term. Same way we have to follow. That is, as substitute n is equal to 1, 2, 3 in the equation 1. So we will get 1 is going to be a change, that is A1 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. Again we will substitute n is equal to 2, we will get 9 minus 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 10 which is equal to minus 1. A3 which is equal equal to 9 minus 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15, 9 minus 15 and 9 minus 15 is a minus 6 and so on we will find. Here now we have to find the D, that is A2 minus A1, which is equal to, what is A2, that is minus 1, A1 that is a 4, so we will get minus 5. Again we will find D, which is equal to A3 minus A2. A3 is a minus 6 minus, we are going to get A2 is a minus 1. So minus 6 minus into minus is a plus 1 and we will get minus 5. Are you finding D is the same? Here we will say since AK minus 1 is the same every time, or we can say D also same every time. Therefore, the given numbers form an AP. Okay, this is form an AP. That's why we have to find S15. S15 is nothing but 15 by 2. Here 2A. A means we are having, so first of all we will write the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D, and here is a S15. We have to find the total 15 terms sum, that is 15 by 2, here 2. What is the first term? That is a 4 plus n minus 1, n is a 15 minus 1, and the value of a D is nothing but the minus 5. Okay, in the bracket we have to take the value of a D. This is a 15 by 2, here 4 2s are 8 plus, here 15 means 14 into minus 5. So here we will get 15 by 2 and here is a 8 plus, that is 14 5s are 70. This should be a minus 70, S15. So S15 is equal to 15 by 2 multiplied by this, we will get as 8 minus 70 means minus 62. So we will get 15 into minus 31. So we are going to get S15 is equal to minus 465. In this problem they had given the nth term. Okay, and from the nth term we had find the given terms form an AP or not, and we had find the sum of 15 terms. Now next problem they had given in the 11th, which is very important. Sn they had given. Sn is equal to 4n minus n square, and they have asked here what is the first term, that is S1. First term means S1. S1 means sum of the first term. So we will get A1 and S1 will be same every time. And what is the sum of first two term means A2 we have to find. So what we are going to do here, as a Sn they have given, we will find by substituting n is equal to 1 2 3 S1 we will get as a 4 into 1 minus 1 square, as a 4 minus 1 means we will get as a S1 is equal to 3. Okay. Next we will get as a when we will substitute n is equal to 2 in the equation 1, we will get S2 which is equal to, here see everyone, 4 into 2 minus 2 square. Okay, 4 2s are 8 minus 4 means I will get 4 minus 8 minus 4 is that is a 4. This is a S2, right? When we are saying as a S1 is equal to 3, so what is the sum of first term is a S1 only. But if I want to find that is the sum of that is what is the sum of first two term. First two term when we are saying here as a A2 we have to find, S2 that is a 4 we have to find. Okay, what is the sum of first two term? S2. Next, what is the second term? Second term A2 we have to find, and the formula for A2 is nothing but S2 minus S1, which is equal to 4 minus 3, and we will get here A2 is nothing but 1. Are you ready? Now see, very clear, that is S1 is nothing but A1 which is equal to 3, right? First term we got here 3, second term we got here the 1. Can you say the sum of two term A1 and A2 is nothing but 3 plus 1 is 4, and is it we got S2 is a 4? Yes. Okay. So it is very clear that if we know the sum the terms, and from there we have to find the A2, A3, A4, then we can use these formula. Now next what they had said, similarly find third, 10th term. For finding the third term A3 we want S3 also. Substitute n is equal to 3 in the equation 1. इस इक्वेशन में हमें n की वैल्यू क्या रखनी है 3. So we will get S3 is equal to 4 into 3 minus 3 square. So 4 3s are 12 minus 9 and 12 minus 3, 12 minus 9 is 3. So we got here S3. We have to find A3. A3 formula is S3 minus S2, and S3 is nothing but 3 minus S2 we got as a 4, and we will get A3 is nothing but minus 1. Are you ready? Now we have find A3. A3 means S3 minus S2. Now they have asked A10. For finding the A10 we required S9 and S10. So what I have done here, I substitute n is equal to 9 in the equation 1. So what we will get, S9 is equal to 4 into 9 minus 9 square. 4 9s are 36 minus 81, and S9 is equal to minus 45. Again we will substitute n is equal to 10 in the equation 1. We will get S10 is equal to 4 into 10 minus 10 square. 40 minus 100 means minus 60. Now we have to find A10. A10 means S10 minus S9. Minus 60 minus of minus 45, minus 60 plus 45 is nothing but minus 15. Now we have to find An. An is nothing but Sn minus Sn minus 1. Already we are having the value Sn, but we don't know Sn minus 1. That's why we will substitute n is equal to n minus 1 in the equation 1, or we can say replace n by n minus 1. So Sn minus 1 is equal to 4 into n minus 1. In place of n I will write n minus 1 minus n minus 1 square. Multiply this bracket by 4. 4n minus 4 minus the identity n square minus 2n plus 1. 4n minus n. Here by multiplying minus to the whole bracket, minus n square plus 2n minus 1. Here we will get minus 4n minus n square, we will write 4n plus 2n is a 6n minus 5. Now we will substitute the value. Here Sn is nothing but 4n minus n square, is it? And minus in the bracket, what is the Sn minus 1? Minus n square plus 6n minus 5. Okay, what we have to that is open the bracket, 4n minus n square. Minus into minus is a plus n square. Minus into plus is a minus 6n, and minus into minus 5 is a plus 5. This will be cancelled. We will get 4n minus 6n means minus 2n plus 5. So here we will get the nth term of this AP is 5 minus 2n. Is that clear? Thank you. Jai Gurudev.